Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade stocks on Libertex. So first, make sure you have a Libertex app. If you do not have, so you can go to App Store and you can download it from there, and after that you can open your Libertex app or web platform. On the screen we can see Libertex, select that, and over here make sure you log into your account if you do not have so, and make sure you have deposited and funded your account. And to do that, so you can go to your wallet on the bottom, and over here tap on the deposit and fund your account. And how to find stocks is you need to go to the market on the bottom left, and over here you can find all of the instruments. You can select stocks, you can choose a company, and Libertex lets you trade stocks, CFDs, and not physical shares. And you need to open a stock trade. You need to click on the stock available over here and tap on it, one of the instruments, and after that you'll see live price and chart, commission, cost. Libertex uses commission instead of spread, and you can also set trade parameters, how much you want to trade. So after that, on the bottom we could see the sell on the bottom left, tap on the sell, and over here on the bottom left we could see there's an icon for multiplier leverage. You can do it, tap on the multiplier. Over here you can find all of these digits. You can select one of the digit, and for now you can do it into 2, and which is a high risk and the reward. But if you do not want no leverage, you can simply cut it off, which is very lower to risk, and after that you can set to sell on the bottom and expect the stock price to fall or to rise as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you comment down below if you have any problem trading stocks on Libertex.